That's how soft the fruit is when it's ripe. That one's got seeds in it. Occasionally you get one without seeds.
It's got 4 seeds in it.
2 to 6 seeds apparently is normal.
Pop the seeds out. It's a big seed.
And this is all the yummy Sapote flesh. Doesn't look very enticing there, but it is delicious. In the van, this is new to us. We're not very good at baking. But this is black Sapote brownies. This is the flesh of black Sapote, chocolate pudding fruit, and we've added too much sugar. It's a harder take in a brownie.
It's got dark chocolate.
And dark chocolate chips in there too. Chips. And we've lined our baking dish from our, what is it, a Marine Sizzler barbecue?
Yep.
And we're going to cook it in the Marine Sizzler. We'll show you when it comes out. Hopefully it's delicious. Looks delicious. And into our Marine Sizzler barbecue. Indirect cooking because we've got 2 burners. The front burner is on and the back burner is off. Now we finished cooking the brownies in the barbecue and looks like it's all gone well. It's coming away from the side and the toothpicks come out clear.
Yep.
I'm just going to let it cool down in there before we have a go at eating it, probably for dessert tonight with some yummy ice cream.